Yeah, it would be about the exact opposite of fun, I think. It's probably a little better doing that where you live than here in Florida. That's actually a death sentence. Yeah, right. I wouldn't be able to do that because I can't ride a bike for any meaningful distance because I have asthma and it flares up like really bad when I ride a bike. Oh! Shiny! Shiny Clamperl!
Hey.
Yo! 28 chain! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, all you had to do was break your 100 chain.
Yo,
All you had to do
yeah, I just broke a chain that it was 141, I think. And here we get it at 28. Oh my gosh! Yo!
Nice.
There we go. This is also like the, what, 20th chain I've done? Oh my goodness. Yo! Okay. I think... Ooh. What ball do I catch you in?
Are you gonna bobble it?
This one I'm gonna leave as is, I think.
Heel ball?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Heel ball too. I think I'm gonna go for heel ball. We're gonna try and catch it in heel ball. Oh my gosh, yeah. I gotta still catch it though. Like, don't talk like this is over. I don't think this thing has any moves that can hurt itself, but I could, but I just caught it, so I don't need to. Yo!